is it possible to get into the data field from a non-tech background? So this is the major questions which came across all the individuals trying to get into the field of data. So the answer is yes, definitely you can get into the data field. And how? Because the data field is not only restricted to few tools or few skills. The domain is very vast. There is so many tools which are getting used. Some of them are like coding based. Some of them are no code platforms. So yeah, if you are a fresher or if you are someone who are currently working in a non-tech background or not related to the field of data, so what you can try to do is you can try to learn few tools which are no code. And the main thing is you have to show the interviewer that you are willing to learn everything, because even in all the companies, no same tools are getting followed or no same technologies are getting followed. Every organization, or if you talk about startups, then every other project needs something else. So in that way, you have to show them that you are willing to learn, you have that potential, that whenever any requirement came, you can learn that and demonstrate it. So you can get into this domain without any prior knowledge of coding or anything like that. You just have to become expert in one or two tool, and you have to demonstrate your skills. You have to show them like you get the potential, and that's all. So in this way you can get into the data field without any coding knowledge. So if you have any more question, then feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can also book a one-on-one call with me on TopMate. The links are in description. And if you want to know about anything else, if you want me to create videos, then you can comment the topic and I will surely try to create a video on it. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.